Very good morning, my dear students. Last time we have seen how to use keyboards. It is an input device and it is used to give some information to the computer. Okay, you have drawn picture and you want to save on the computer, you can do that. So that file or that particular information will be stored in the form of picture. If you want to listen song and you want to save it on the computer, so that type of file will be audio file. If you are writing some message and you want to save that, that will get stored in the form of text file. So different type of information we can store in different type of files. And one of the most important characteristics of computer is it can save your information or data. Data can be saved on the computer. That's why nowadays computer is used in every field. So if you have to store the data, it must have some space to hold the data. Okay, so computer has two types of storage devices or two types of different storage space. First is internal storage space and other is external storage space. Internal storage space is inside the computer and external storage space can be your hard drive or CD drive or pen drive. Okay, large amount of data can be stored on this hard drive and this particular pen drive. Okay, as we know that different type of data can be stored in different type of files. For example, if text messages are there, then that can be stored in text file. If some pictures are there, then that can be stored in image file. Music is there, then that can be stored in the form of audio or video file. Your apps and games also can be stored. So particularly large number of files you can organize in folder. So the use of folder is to organize your data, to organize your files. So as you can see, this is the symbol of folder. You can name your folder according to your wish. Some meaningful name is given to the folder. Let us see one example to get the concept of file and folder. So students, as I told you, there can be a text message. So text message can be stored in the form of text file. Suppose this is the picture. So this picture can be stored in the form of image. So these different type of files can be stored in the folder. Okay, you can store different files in the folder. If there are number of files, then after storing the files, after some days, it will be a time consuming process to search a particular file. So folder helps here. Folder allows us to organize the files. Suppose, just for example, science, this is the science experiment book. Suppose you consider this as a file, then you can store it in particular folder. Like if you will store it in this folder, and a particular folder can have subfolder also. This can be another subfolder, and in this subfolder can be stored in main folder, and in that subfolder again you can save a particular file. So a particular inner folder is having file and main folder is also having file. So what is folder? Folder is a space which saves or which holds your number of files. Okay, a particular folder can have subfolder also which will be holding number of different files. So the use of folder is to organize the file. Students, I think this concept is clear to you. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.